Today we will be working on a 2008 Mazda 3. This video will be installing rear rotors. Make sure you chock your front tires. Make sure you jack the car up and secure it on some jack stands. Unlike doing the front rotors, make sure that the parking brake is off. You're going to take your lug nuts off and then take the whole wheel off. Once you get the wheel off, you're going to go ahead and take the caliper off. It's got two bolts. There's one right here. The other one's down here on the bottom. I had to use a 14mm wrench on the top bolt right there. Once you pull the brake caliper off, just move it out of the way. I like to use a coat hanger to secure mine out of the way. Next, just wiggle your rotor right off. If it doesn't come off, give it a couple taps with the rubber mallet. Should free it right up. Side by side between the old rotor and the new one. New one's drilled and slotted. You're just going to slide new rotor onto the leg studs, and you'll be putting the caliper back into place. Once you put the caliper back on, reinsert the bolts on the back side and tighten them down. Once your brake caliper is back on and good and tight, you're ready to put your wheel back on. Once you put the wheel back on, go ahead and tighten down the lug nuts. I like using an impact gun. Once you've got your wheel tightened, go ahead and take your jack stands back out safely. Once your car is safely back on the ground, you're all done with your rear rotors.